morning, everyone. So today is Wednesday. It's Valentine's Day. It's February 14, and I have an appointment for my interview at in the US for the nexus thing, the nexus card for crossing the border and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna head over there. It's about a 45-minute drive, and I think I have to cross the border, so yeah. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna go because my appointment is at 10:10, and then it's almost 9. So okay, bye. I'm pretty much running late right now, but I decided to get booster shots. So good luck to me. I'm at the border, so I gotta cross the border today. Alright guys, I have made it. Ayan na yung Nexus Global Entry Fast. So, it's 9:56. My appointment is at 10:10, so I'll wait here for like 4 more minutes, and then I'll go in when there's only 10 minutes left. And yeah. What I need pala for that is this one, my passport, license, and then my citizenship they asked for, and also the letter saying that I got like conditional approval. Yan, that one. So yeah, that's it. Also, I applied for this Nexus thing last year in May, and then ngayong January ko lang nakuha yung conditional approval. So it took like 10 months. Tapos supposedly yung mabubuk ko na interview was still like going to be after May or after March, something like that. Basta matagal pa. But I kept checking, and I found an appointment for today last week, so parang agad-agad din siya. But it's okay kasi at least it's like tapos na before pang tumagal. And then yeah, so yeah, we're just gonna do it today. Hopefully okay yung I read online na okay lang naman. Like all they ask for is like why you want the Nexus card, and how often are you gonna use it. I think I don't really know what this interview is gonna be like, but hopefully it is quick because I am nervous. I'm always nervous to like talk to CBSA officers or like immigration officers. I don't know why. Anyways, okay. I'm gonna go in 2 minutes, so I'll just tell you what happens later. Hopefully everything is good. Alright, I'm done. I don't know what time it is. Let me check. Okay, so it is only 10:14. So it only took like 4 minutes. Anyway, they only asked what I said that they would ask. They asked for why you need the Nexus card, how are you gonna use it, is it business, pleasure, or anything else other than like going there for whatever reason. And then 2 interviews pala siya, Canadian and US. So nauna yung US, and then after that is the Canadian part, and then that's it. It was really quick. In the US side, they take a picture, and then they do the interview, and then in the Canadian part, they make you read like stuff dun sa like booklet nila, what your restrictions and how to use the card. And then yeah, that's it. And then after that, after you read the statement or whatever, they go over how you're gonna use it, if you have any questions, and then yung instructions kung paano ka mag-enter ng by land, or yeah, so they They tell you the instructions on how you're gonna be using it when you enter by land, like through the border or when you're at the airport, and what you're gonna need to bring when you do that. And apparently it's up to you pag may nexus ka na, it's up to you kung i-declare mo yung may i-declare ka sa border. Tapos if I'm understanding this correctly, when you have your nexus card, you can just bring your nexus card instead of your passport, because basically they know that you have a passport because you have a nexus. Even if you go through the regular lanes, you can just use the nexus card as your passport, if I'm understanding that correctly. I still have to reread that online and make sure that that's actually how it goes, because I don't want to just assume. I'm still gonna have a passport every time I cross the US or like go anywhere, so it doesn't really matter. But it's just really handy to just like get it out of your wallet, diba? Anyways, the other thing is, since may nexus card ako tapos si Kat wala, it doesn't really matter that I have a nexus card, because I'm still gonna be traveling with her all the time, and that just means that I can't really use the nexus lane when we cross the border by land, by car. But if we're going through the airport security, I can bypass the airport security really quickly, and then like chill and wait outside or sa gate namin for Kat if I wanted to. But yeah, basically that's it. Like, there's a lot of benefit of having a nexus card when all of the people that you're traveling with have a nexus card. But if you're like me and Kat, or Kat doesn't have one, because last year I asked her to get one and apply for one, but she didn't want to, because I guess she wants to wait for her citizenship before she does it. But anyways, yeah, it's going to be mailed to me in like 3 weeks, she said, so that's pretty long. That's okay. And then I think that's it. Yeah, I hope I'm not like forgetting anything, but yeah, it's handy. It's an extra piece of ID. I think that's really it. But I'm just thinking of all of the times that like I go to Calgary or like to the US and I'm alone. I can just bypass everything and get to where I want to go quicker, that's really it. Yeah, that's also the reason why that's the reason I told them why I wanted one. So you just have to be really honest, I guess. that's how I said. And then yung US na officer, she's kind of masungit, pero it's okay, they're just doing their job. But yeah, that's it. Everything's really quick. 10 minutes, I'm out, I'm done, and I'm gonna go back to Canada. Actually, you know what? Oh, sorry, sisiri ko nagsasalita. Pero you know what? Since I'm already here, I'm gonna go to Costco and get gas there, because sometimes it is actually really cheaper. It's cheaper than getting gas in Canada. And I'm also gonna buy Kat omeprazole, kasi she said that next time we go to the US, she wants to get omeprazole. So I'm just gonna get that for her right now. And yeah, and then after that, I'm gonna go back to Canada. Guys, I'm here at Costco. Maraming tao, so siguro hindi na ako mag-vlog sa loob kasi nahihiya ako. Okay, sige, later na lang. Costco. They have lots of different types of drugs here, and like supplements and all. Ito yung binili ko. Omeprazole. Hello. So I spent $50 sa Costco inside, and then $20 on gas. Pretty good. Okay, so now we are going to be driving back to Canada. Yeah, we're done our job here in the US, so gotta drive back. think it's only like a 30-minute drive to the border, and then after that like around a 20-minute drive home. So it's not too bad. But yeah, miles per hour dito guys ang takbo. Tapos ang bilis kasi 70 miles per hour. Oh my god, mali yung daan ko. Shoot.
In about 4 kilometers at the roundabout, take the third exit.
Okay, I think it's okay though. 70 miles per hour ang takbo, which is I think around 124, 123, mga ganun na speed in kilometers. Pero it's fun kasi ako lang mag-isa, tapos usually sikat kasi pag nagdadrive ako ng mabilis, she gets worried, she gets scared, but I love it, so it's fine, it's all good. Pero yeah, today is Valentine's Day. Hindi ako pumasok sa work because may interview sa Nexus. Pero yeah, I wish I could show you the way because it's different from Canada. Like you can feel that you're not in Canada a little bit, but I can't because I don't have like patungan ng phone. So whatever. But anyways, this weekend is a long weekend, and this weekend I'm gonna be volunteering at the Fan Expo, which is like comic convention equivalent ng US, but it's a lot smaller here and not as exciting, pero it's still exciting. A lot of things to do. I'm volunteering there for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, and then Monday is chill day kasi yun yung off holiday. So mag-chill lang kami ni Kat at home probably because we're trying not to spend money. Like this money that I spent today, yung entire $50 na spend ko sa Costco is not entirely for us. Parang yung omeprazole lang talaga yung for us. And then may binili kasi ako na bluey na snack container, which is for pod. Like we still bought it, but you know, like we're just not spending for us too much because we're trying to save money. We're trying to budget our money for every month. And then yung isa pang binili is ang Lactin. Yun naman bibigay ko sa ka-work ko kay Joy. And yeah, kasi last time that I went, sabi niya, but hindi mo ko sinama. Joy, if you're watching, I got you that Lactin. But yeah, anyways, I think yun na lang muna kasi nagdadrive pa ako, then I want to listen to music. At saka baka malito na naman ako, maligaw na naman ako, so maya na lang ulit guys. Yeah, I think 55 minutes now to home, so medyo malayo-layo pa. It's alright, it's all good, it's all good. Okay, maya na ulit. Peace. We are back. Almost. We're at the border. The border. That's the Peace Arch, and then the border is over there. Yeah. Okay. Can't wait to get back to Canada. I miss it. Char. Okay. Bye, guys. Okay, so it has been a really long day of shopping. Pero like, I think for a reason naman, so it's okay. Yeah, I went to Helly Hansen. I got a new raincoat because I don't really have a waterproof sweater. Kaya bumili na ako today. It was on sale for 20% off. It was only $105. And I just bought it, but I think like I still have to think about it because it's $100. And then I went to Old Navy. I just got a bunch of like small things that was all on sale. They were like $7 each or something. So it's pretty good. And then yeah, I think like overall today I've spent $200, which I'm not proud of, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm telling myself that it's okay. Whatever. Money comes back after hard work. But yeah, it's fine. I think basta, I promise this is the last time I'm going to spend anything for this month, even for the next month. This is the last time. This is the last time. I promise. Okay, let's go home kasi I need to go to the property manager dun sa bahay kasi kailangan nilang i-check yung fobs namin for like their audit or something. Kaya I need to do that. And then maghihintay na ako at home for Kat. Tapos mag-gym kami later tonight or this afternoon. Tapos magdi-dinner sa bahay lang. Actually, you know what? I need to go to a superstore kasi I gotta buy pads and then toilet paper and cheese. So okay, let's do that now and then we gotta go. Okay? Alright. Actually, you know what? There is a Walmart here. I'm just gonna go to Walmart because it's the same thing and ayoko nang lumayo pa kasi yung superstore nasa Metrotown pa yun and I don't want to drive anymore. I'm just gonna go here, then go home, then wait. Yeah, it's been such a quick day. I thought I would have like such a chill day, but it's so quick. Yeah, when I get home, I'm just gonna try to catch up on I spat. I'm just gonna try to catch up on some work too kasi yeah, I don't want to be like busy tomorrow. Okay, sige, bye na muna. Ayan, dito na tayo sa Walmart. Bilis lang, mga like 1 minute drive. Mahangin today. Kala ko maaraw and mainit. So we are now, oh my god, it's so dirty. We're home now. Actually, it's already nighttime now. Almost 8 o'clock now, so we're just winding down, getting ready for bed. Kat is in the shower. I'm just watching TV, but I think that is it. We bought some takeout for this evening, and yeah, it was a nice day for me, but I did spend a lot of money, but that's okay. I haven't spent much lately, and the things that I spent money for, they are important or necessary, I guess. So yeah, I'm really tired, so matutulog na kami ng maaga today. See you next week.